How do I create a dictionary with keys from a list and values defaulting to, say, 0?
Dict L0 for L in A will work well. Python 2.7 and above also support dict comprehensions. That syntax is L column 0 for L in A.
Or is the list, 0 is the default value. Pay attention not to set the default value to some mutable object, i.e. list or dict, because it will be one object used as value for every key in the dictionary. Check here for a solution for this case. Numbers strings are safe.
In Python version is greater than or equal to 2.7 and in Python 3.
In addition to Tim's answer, which is very appropriate to your specific example, it's worth mentioning collections.defaultDict, which lets you do stuff like this. For mapping 1, 2, 3, 4, as in your example, it's a fish out of water. But depending on the reason you ask the question, this may end up being a more appropriate technique.
Edit Tim's solution is better because it uses generators. See the comment to his answer.